finally on board. Yeah. See you tomorrow. Bonne nuit.
Jambo bwana, habari gani? Vizuri sana. Wageni wakaribishwa Arusha yetu, hakuna matata. Jambo bwana, habari gani? Vizuri sana. Wageni wakaribishwa Arusha yetu.
Help her load them. She's too small to carry all this by herself. Imetafsiriwa, kwa hiyo utaisoma tu baadaye. Ndio, yes, iko kwenye Kiswahili. She said she wants money. It's money she wants to receive, nothing else. Na kweli, unaweza kasema tunakushusha wewe, sisi tukarudi huko.
Controls the fire so that wind doesn't blow your fire around. So when wind is not able to blow the fire away, the fire goes directly to your pot and you can cook faster. Why are we talking about the improved things? First of all, and very important, is because of your health. You need to be healthy, you need to be strong, you need to be active just the way you are. Okay, the second thing is the environment. And if you do not act now, it will become so hot that you cannot even come out of your house. Okay, the third advantage of using the improved cook stoves is it helps to reduce deforestation. This way. You put your firewood and you light it. You can remove this. Light it. So the breeze, you can see that breeze will not disturb it. So the fire will come directly to your pot. So you see these three, your pot will stay on top here. So the fire will come directly to your pot. This is made of local materials that helps to retain the heat. So you see this, it helps in limiting the smoke. So in case you want to use your charcoal, no need to open this. So leave it closed. You just remove this and put your charcoal inside. Then when you light your charcoal, you put this back. So you see that you can use both charcoal and okay, so Tanzania, I've learned from you today. So clap for us. Tell them about the improved stoves, tell them about the benefits, and it will be good for you to be an agent of change. So the change starts with you. 1, 2, go. Watatupike safi zaidi na kuwana. Hold on, let's be on the same key. Everybody. Yes.
My name's Grace Matambi.
The choir mistress of today.
Yes. She's the chairwoman of the Amani group. I really liked it and I'm really thankful for the gifts you have offered us, the stoves and everything. We're really obliged. First and foremost, I'd like to thank God for bringing you guys here. He has seen our significance and so have you. On behalf of the group, all the women are so happy and they're so thankful. We don't have many words to say, but next time if you have any other projects or any sessions, you're really welcomed. There are 7 of our members who didn't get the stoves, but you promised that you'll fulfill the promise that they'll get the stoves later this week. Those being said, we are really thankful and you're welcome here once again. Ajay.
From here and put it. This for me would almost be one. This should be about 1 cup. Standard measure. So I prefer to go clockwise.
Unaenda direction moja. Tunaelewana. Hapo zote kwenye